Hey guys, and welcome back to I'm going to do this nail foil and freehand nail design. So I'm going to use this taupe polish by Kiss called Eye Contact, and it matches exactly with my background, which is crazy. Then I'm going to use the adhesive, which is the glue, and I'm using this foil. But what I do is I cut them in strips so that they're much easier to apply on my nails. Now I already painted my nails with the color, and then I'm going to apply the glue very thin. Make sure it's a thin coat. And as you can see, I go back and I take off that part, and it dries really quickly. Especially that glue that I showed you, it dries very quick. Now I'm going to do I guess, dry brush technique to it, I guess. I don't know what you call that. But I didn't want my whole nail to be covered. I wanted you to see the polish behind it. So I love how this came out. And you can leave this on its own or add a freehand design like I did, or a nail stamp design. I was going to add a nail stamp design, but I said let me do a freehand, a real easy one. So as you can see, using a thin nail brush, I just drew two lines. You can draw them anywhere on your nails, and I'm going to fill them in with the black polish that I'm using. You can use either a nail striper or acrylic paint if you want, and you can use any colors that you want. Now the foil that I am using, I got on Amazon, really expensive. I think I got like 10 or 15 of them for $2 and change. They don't have a name to them though. I guess they're like a Chinese brand or something like that. So if you want to do this, you can go on Amazon. They got a bunch of foils for good prices. Once I was done filling in the nails, I'm just going to draw a line, an extra line. I don't know, something about adding the line. It gave it like a real chic look, and I love that. But if you want, you can add nail dots. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.